Alright, so here's how to get all the YAPICO Graffiti in Bomb Rush Cyberfunk. Right after the tutorial, in this first area, all you have to do is grind and hit these 3 hands, but keep the combo. You can use R2 to manual on the ground. And after you hit all 3, the store should open. And if you go through this door, there will be the large YAPICO Graffiti. This one is called Buttercup. Right after that, take a left and grind this rail. Go up the stairs and boost through this window. This is where the medium YAPICO Graffiti is Pico Pow. Jump out the window, take a right, and slide underneath this area. Grind a little bit forward, and there will be these stairs. Underneath these stairs, we just need to hop off our board and slide underneath. And this is the extra large graffiti called Headphones On, Helmet On. For the medium graffiti, all you have to do is swipe from the left to the right, up and down. For the large graffiti, you go to the bottom left, bottom right, and then all the top ones. For the extra large, this one's pretty simple. You go down and then just follow it all around. For most of the extra large graffitis, they start in the other direction, so it's pretty easy to remember this one. And that's it. That's how you get all the YAPICO art in Bomb Rush Cyberfunk.